Replacing an existing deadbolt with a Brink deadbolt is an easy job that only requires a Phillips screwdriver and a few minutes of your time. After removing the existing deadbolt, you'll need to check the adjustment of the deadbolt latch mechanism. It can be changed to fit either a 2 3/8 or a 2 3/4 inch back set. Measure the distance from the door edge to the center of the hole on the face of the door. This is called the back set. If the distance is 2 3/8 inch, the deadbolt latch will not need to be adjusted. It has been preset to this back set. On doors with 2 3/4 inch back set, simply turn the latch faceplate clockwise and pull outwards until it stops. Then turn the faceplate counterclockwise until the square pin locks into place at the 2 3/4 inch position. Insert the deadbolt latch into the 1-inch hole in the door edge so up is positioned at the top and the cross is at the bottom. Insert the anti-pry shield into the exterior side of the deadbolt. Move the torque blade to a horizontal position, making sure the bolt is retracted. Insert the torque blade through the cross of the deadbolt latch mechanism until the deadbolt body is flush with the door. Slide the thumb turn mounting plate onto the torque blade until it is flush against the door. Insert the 2 machine screws through the holes in the mounting plate and tighten securely. Snap the cover plate onto the mounting plate. Slide the thumb turn onto the spindle and tighten the set screw with the small hex wrench. Test the installation by extending and retracting the bolt using the key and thumb turn. Install the reinforcement plate onto the door jamb with the words "Door Stop Side" visible and pointing toward the door jamb. Place the deadbolt strike plate over the reinforcement plate, insert 2 strike plate screws, and tighten securely. Welcome to an easier way of opening your door from Brink's, the trusted name in security since 1859.